with so much going on with Headless, we find this as a very timely discussion as to what is Headless, what is it, and as Nimish mentioned, this is really going to be kind of like a 101 introductory to Headless if you're still kind of getting used to it. Um, but why is everyone going headless right now? And why is there the talk? And it's because everyone is trying to automate their systems with AI agents, and AI agents need to be able to access systems via APIs and tools. And they're not going to be logging into websites like we have grown to love, logging into Salesforce, having all this great UI widgets and being able to automate a lot of complex through UI design. Agents aren't going to be doing that. They're going to be logging in via API calls, querying data, and using specific functions to perform their work. And so when we start to give agents tools and access, if they don't have proper access, and they could hallucinate, or they're not going to be able to get the correct answer because they're just not able to query the right data. And so how do we really create a system of context for our agents using the right tools via APIs that we can open it up? We can help ground the agents in the real information and the full context that they need to perform their work. Because if we really get it wrong, the agent can then propagate those errors down through the system, with other agents taking action on incorrect decisions that were made. So really the reason why we're having this discussion, the problem set that this starts to flush out, is that once we start giving our agents access to our systems, they're going to be connecting to it via headless APIs and connectivity. So kind of as we stated, so then, what is headless, right? So if we have something with a head, that means we're logging in through a screen. We're logging in through Zoom, through the web application. We're logging into Excel web-based or Outlook, but our agents are able to do that via headless, which would be through APIs, CLIs, command line interfaces, which is another very easy way to call those REST APIs. And then those can be even grouped up into MCP servers, which you may or may not be familiar with. And we'll walk through all this in the webinar today. So so what headless means is that you can digitally connect to a system with the right permissions based off of that user to gain access. And that's how we're going to be leveraging our AI agents in the new modern ecosystems.